Hey everyone! In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 3 best gut hook knives for deer in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Mossy Oak Fixed Blade Gut Hook Knife. Our number 1 pick when it comes to gut hook knives is the Mossy Oak Fixed Blade Knife. It has by far the best price to performance ratio of all the gut hook knives we tested, and we believe that for most people, this is the best gut hook knife they can get for their money. The sharpness of the blade and the gut hook is incredibly high for this price point. The knife comes razor sharp out of the box and is ready to skin deer, elk, boar, or anything that comes your way. The gut hook performs excellently for cutting through even the most stubborn and thick skin. The brass finger guard is a great safety feature that looks and works great. The balance of the handle and the knife is superb. The weight is arranged perfectly so that the handling feels effortless. Another feature that tells us about the quality of this knife is the full tang blade. Full tang means that the blade extends all the way through the handle, making the weight and control of the knife better. This also increases the longevity of the knife and is a great feature to have on all types of knives. The sheath that comes with the knife is another surprise. It is a genuine leather sheath that holds the knife securely and doesn't allow slippage or any movement whatsoever. The features and extras that you get with this knife for this price are unbelievable. No knife matches this one on our list in terms of what you get for your money. It's by far the best gut hook knife you can buy. Number 2. Our second best pick is Outdoor Edge GripHook. This Outdoor Edge gut hook knife is different from our previous 2 models and has its unique advantages. It has a folded blade, as opposed to the fixed blade, typically found on most of the gut hook knives. Its main advantage is convenience and portability. The blade is made from high-grade Japanese AUS-8 stainless steel that has high hardness and resists corrosion excellently. This type of steel is super easy to sharpen, which is great if you prefer to save some money and sharpen the blade yourself. The sharpness of the blade and the gut hook is incredible. It comes surgically sharp out of the box, which means that you can take it to the field right away. The gut hook is sharp enough to go through any type of hide, but because of the size of the knife, you might find it difficult to cut through the larger carcass, especially if you're used to longer blades. Still, you can use this gut hook knife to cut through the skin of any thickness, given that you use the proper technique. It is sharp enough to cut through anything. The folding mechanism is excellent on this knife. This is always a thing to look for when you're dealing with folding knives, since a faulty mechanism can cause serious injuries. This one locks the blade in place and holds it securely. We are pretty sure that this knife will last a lifetime, but if you happen to have any problem with it, Outdoor Edge will be more than happy to replace your knife. The lifetime warranty makes this knife a safe purchase. Number 3. Last but not the least, our third best pick is Case XXWR Pocket Knife Leather Hunter Gut Hook. Case knives are known as premium quality knives that are made for those that appreciate finer things in life. Each of their knives tells a story and is of the highest quality. This Hunter Gut Hook model is a combination of style and extreme sharpness that will help you open up the bellies effortlessly. The handle of this knife really stands out from the competition. The beautiful leather design makes it both handsome and very practical. It gives you excellent grip and reduces slippage significantly. This knife will stay in hand and will be comfortable even with extended use. Both the blade and the gut hook are sharp enough to cut through any type of hide with ease. It is worth mentioning that some users experienced fairly dull out-of-the-box blades, but with some whetstone honing, they easily achieved shaving sharp blade and gut hook. This is a bit of a drawback and something not expected at this price range. Still, since this steel is so easy to sharpen, this shouldn't be a problem for most people with basic knife sharpening skills. The knife comes with a genuine leather sheath that goes with the knife and looks great. It is quality made and holds the knife securely inside. This is a knife that you would proudly show off. Its stylish looks and high-grade materials certainly make it a worthwhile purchase. There is no knife quite like it on the market. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.